What's in the box? Another unboxing video on a product that we brought in. This came real fast. Less than a week. It's quite heavy. The Arcbox. Let's see what's it. Okay, let's quickly see the Arcbox. So there's 12 in a box like this. Very easy instructions, but just basically real easy. Put it on, but yeah, let's open it first. Let's see. Okay, so CE certification, UKCA, ROS, KWA. It's in the Netherlands, laboratory there. So ja, hulle verstaan ook ons Afrikaans, so 'n bietjie. Ons het so 'n bietjie gepraat. So thanks Nick. Let's just see what one of these weighs. In the packaging, 463 grams. So it's almost half a kilo. Let's take it out. It's quite heavy. There we go. Very nice. But yeah, what it's for, you open it, your MC4s, your panels. I don't know, it differs, but it's more than 40% of all incidents happens here. And this is not a bad connection. People connect them badly. So there's a few things. I'm going to put a video at the end just to show you the product. So this is refractory material. So it's fireproof, even that. So also there you can see if they, normally we put this at the back of the panels, which is fine. But now you put it inside here. So it already gets much better water tightness, but if water comes in, that is the drainage. So yeah, so basically you got to put it in. The problems we've got, I put it in the other video as well, these ferrules inside these, for all the installers know, most of the people don't. So all the people know, inside there you'll get these ferrules. So they will go in, quite a lot of amps goes onto this. So if you use a bad quality ferrule, these are from the same type, so they go in tightly. So it makes a very good connection. DC arcs. So if you don't have a good connection, you're going to get an arc there, and it's going to arc until it starts to burn. So that's why it's so dangerous. So if you do installations, if your installer do installation, normally he gets his own MC4s. They all differ, but get a good quality one. So what will basically happen is your solar panel will have one of these at the end and the other one on the other end, the positive and the negative, and they will connect your wires that goes down to your PV combiner box. But if they don't connect it right, correctly, there's a problem. There's also the red seal. So if you push it in, it seals. As soon as you take it out again, this seal will already got damaged. So you already get water there, you get corrosion. If you get corrosion, you're going to get an arc. So that is the problem about these things. And also on the sides of if your panels are in series, on the sides you will get from the panels manufacturers, they give you one of these and one of these. But they're not going to be the same as yours. So it's better to cut those off, put your own on, make sure that you crimp them correctly, as I showed on the previous one. Bad crimps is a big problem. Crimp them correctly, and then you've got, it's quite safe. It is safe when it's done right, but you can never trust where the human works. So this is prevention. It's like a safety belt for your system. So they are not cheap because it's a good quality, but your home, your property is much more worth than this. So basically you put them in, It's got a clip, so it clips real nice. So yeah, you can also, they also can supply us with different type of brackets. That's because in Europe they build it basically onto the timber roofs, so it goes over your branding, and it's inside there. They've got a totally different way that we do it, but I will say a good way for South Africa for now, until we can maybe do one. I will maybe speak to Valsa if this product goes good. This is basically a few samples we will do that can fit onto your panels, and we'll just do a bracket that can go onto your panels at the back, and your thing will be safe. But for now, I will most probably use a steel cable tie. Just tighten it. Never, you're not gonna let it hang on the wires, then you make everything worse again. So yeah, I think really it's a very good product. It's very unique, and I think it's worth it to have it on your system. On each panel would be good. So could be a bit expensive, but not that much. You know, your whole system is expensive. To add these to protect your system, that's what we at LTV try to do, is to protect your system 100%, so that you are safe and secure and all your things are done correctly. So obviously this is not in regulations. I'm not 100% sure. It could be, I think it is in the Netherlands, on the type of roofs that they use it there. It is in their regulations, but we still work on our regulations. There's coming a few good regulations through. But yeah, these are just, I just love unboxing videos. I hope you enjoyed it with me. And yeah, thanks Nick, appreciate it.